Unit 6 Test Study Guide, question number 21. Still in the percent change section, and as I said last time, two ways to think about it. Change over the original, or you can do it as the new amount over the original amount or the old amount. Okay, both ways are going to work, and we're going to be looking for the percent increase, so our percent is going to be what's missing in both cases. In this one, it's x over 100. I wish I would have left a little bit more room above, because the thing is, to do it this way, you need to put the change over the original amount. The original amount is where he started. He started at 8 pounds. He now weighs 22 pounds. So the original amount is 8. We need to find the change to do it this way. So subtract those two numbers. 22 minus 8 is going to give us, getting a little bit late, my brain's not working, 22 minus 8. 14 is the change. A change of 14 pounds. Solve this proportion, cross multiply, you get 8x equals 1400. Divide by 8, and you're going to come up with 1400 divided by 8 equals 175. That is a 175. And again, this is the change. This is the percent change. It's a 175% increase. Okay? And that does make sense. If he increased his weight by 8 pounds from 8 pounds, that would be 100% increase. Doubling his weight is 100% increase. This is over an 8-pound increase, so it makes sense that our percent is over 100%. Okay, again, doing it the other way, doing the new over the original, you'd say the new weight is 22, his original weight was 8, cross multiply, you get 8x equals 22 followed by 2 zeros. Divide by 8, you come up with x equals you come up with 275. 275%. But again, this is new over original. This is the new percent. It went from 100 up to 275. We're being asked about how much it changed. What was the percent increase? It went from 100 up to 275. So subtract 275 minus 100. You come up with 175%. And then again, that is a 175% increase.